Brian Tracy is a very strong speaker and a successful person in life. And in this video, he reveals the most important things to become successful. Enjoy watching.
Success, networking is one of the most important things in success. Fully 85%, the statistics comes out over and over again, of your success will come from somebody who helped you, who opened a door or made a call for you. I just had an incredible experience with a very important person to me in Germany who has a serious medical problem. And Barbara knows doctors and specialists in San Diego. And so we called one of them and said, we have a friend in Germany that has this problem and so on. And he said, well, I happen to know one of the top authorities, because he's one of the top in the US, one of the top authorities in Germany. I'll put the two of you together and he can help her directly. And they did, and she did, and he did. And it was just, you almost want to cry, because one phone call, one email can open a door that can bring about sometimes a miracle. My whole life has been changed by meeting people. I wrote a book called Create Your Own Future, and it was going to be called The Luck Factor, but another author wrote a book with the same title. And I wrote a book after doing years of research on the law of probabilities. What is luck? Well, luck is not something that comes out of the sky. It's a matter of probabilities. If you do certain things in a certain way over and over again, you're more likely to be lucky, to have a happy coincidence, than if you don't. So therefore, if you want to be successful at sales, as I wanted to be, I read everything I could find on selling. I listened to every audio program. I practiced and practiced and practiced. And no coincidence, surprise, surprise, I was lucky. I started to make more and more sales. And I got into real estate development. I got into manufacturing, distribution, all kinds of things. I just buried myself in research. And one of the books that I read on luck, it was called The Luck Factor, and it had been written 20 or 30 years before, said that much of luck in life comes from a chance meeting with a stranger. He said it's you chat with somebody on a bus or at a dinner party, or somebody comes into your office or you go into their office and you're chatting and a piece of information pops up and your life is never the same. That was the last piece in the jigsaw puzzle that completed your perception of what you needed to be successful. It's just the most amazing thing. So success, it comes not by luck, but it comes by hard work and by trying certain things over and over again until you actually do the right thing in the right way at the right time. And the more, if you're really successful, work harder. You've heard the old saying, the harder I work, the luckier I get. And the great problem today is that 80% of people try to do the very least amount of work for the amount that they're paid. The most successful people try to do the very most and more besides. They think about you. It's interesting, we have taught so many companies. I've taught more than 5 million people and more than 10,000 companies.